To add a YouTube notification, what you're going to want to do is use the YouTube notification add command and supply a Discord channel as well as a YouTube channel. Once you've done that, should add the YouTube notification, and now notifications will be sent to this channel when that channel uploads. To verify this, you can use the YouTube notification list command, which will list all your YouTube notifications set up. As you can see, I have a notification set up in this channel with this ID. Now, if I click on this link, it should redirect to the channel I have the notification set up on, which it indeed does. If the channel you're trying to add isn't the one which comes up, then you should go to the channel of your choice and copy this ID after the youtube.com/channel. Then you will want to re-add the notification, but instead of using the channel name, you want to put this ID instead, and then it should add successfully. This is all you really need to do for a basic setup of YouTube notifications, and everything should be sent to that channel with a nice little message. However, if you want to change the message, you can use the YouTube notification message command. You will want to get the ID of the YouTube notification through the YouTube notification list command again, and you just copy this section here. You then put that after the message command, and then you put a nice little message here that you want it to be sent with. As you can see, the message has updated for me. Obviously, this would be quite a bland message, so you can use the YouTube notification formatters command to view all the formatters you can use to give you live data in your message. Quite a common message to have would be to just have the video URL on its own, so as you can see here, I'm going to put video URL as the message, and this would send just the video URL in the notification. You could also use the YouTube notification advanced message command, which allows you to provide some JSON to edit the embed and the content, which allows you to have a much nicer message, but obviously requires you to know a little bit in JSON. It's basically the same command, but just instead you give JSON instead of a normal message. When a YouTube notification is sent, it's sent as a webhook, which means you can change both the name and the avatar with these two commands here. This allows for full customizability, however these two commands are premium, so you would need to buy them in advance if you wanted to use this feature.